All right, when we're calculating compound interest, there are two possible formulas that we might use. This is when you have a specific number of compoundings per year, and that value is n. And this formula is used when you're compounding continuously. So I have two examples here. In number one, we're calculating we're compounding continuously, so we're going to use this formula. And our starting amount, which is called the principal, is $990. The interest rate is 4%. And that time period that we're investing the money is for 15 years. So to plug all of this, we're looking for A. A is the final value. So A, in this example, is $990 and times E, the constant E, which is approximately 2.7. Then we take the interest rate. Now the interest rate is 4%. So as a value, we write that as 0.04. And then we're going to multiply that by the time, which in this example is 15. So what we're going to calculate is 990 times E to the 0.6. And when you do that on your calculator, I'm just going to show you. So we have 990 times, here's the E function, E to the power of 0.6. And you'll see we get $1,803.90. 1,803.90. All right. Right here. Okay, so in the next problem, number 2, we're investing $14,000. That's our principal P. Okay. And because it's compounded semi-annually, that just means that it's compounded twice a year. So N is the number of compoundings in a year. And so N is going to equal 2 for this problem. And then T is the number of years that you're investing. In this case, T is 9 because we're investing for 9 years. So P is our principal, that's 14,000. R is our interest rate, 7% is 0.07. N is the number of times we compound in 1 year, so that's 2 because it's semi-annually. And T is 9. T is always going to be in years. If you're compounding per year, then you want your T to be in years. All right, so we have all of our values determined. Now we're going to plug them into our formula. A equals P, which is 14,000, times 1 plus R, which is 0.07, divided by N, which is 2, to the power of 2, that's N, times 9, which is T. Okay, plugging this in and using our calculator. So we have 14,000. I'm going to use the quantity, the parentheses, to do this inside calculation. 1 plus 0.07 divided by 2. I'm going to close the parentheses, and then I'm going to raise that to the power of 2 times 9, which is 18. And I get $26,004.85.